Hello, welcome back. Today we discuss about largest insurance companies by salient product line. It is useful to differentiate between the type of insurance of line that is being considered. When considered the largest insurance company using sale data is help as some of largest insurance company in the United States and not publicly traded, and therefore their market value is not easily ascertained. There is some companies which is the top of the list: property and casualty. State Farm Group net premiums is 66.2 billion. Berkshire Hathaway, known as BRKA, $46.4 billion. Progressive Insurance Group, known as PGR, $41.7 billion. Allstate Insurance Group, known as ALL, 90 $39.2 billion. Liberty Mutual, $36.2 billion. Travelers Group, TRV, known as TRV, 2.8 to $28.8 billion. USAA Group, $24.6 billion worth. CH Chubb, known as CB, $24.2 billion. Farmer Insurance Group, capitalization $20.1 billion. And the last one, Nationwide, capitalization is $18.5 billion. Okay, see you next in next video. Take care. Bye bye.